The result blew me away. Cut the chicken breast as finely as you can and put it in a large bowl. Crack 3 eggs. Add finely chopped green onion. Chopped parsley the same way. Mix the ingredients well. Season with black pepper, salt, add mayonnaise. Grate the mozzarella on the fine grater. Put the mozzarella in the bowl and mix. Add flour and mix well. Put the mixture into the Ziploc bag. Cut the corner. Shape the meatballs in the pan with hot vegetable oil. Melt butter in another pan. Crush a few garlic cloves. Mix the butter with the garlic. Add flour and mix. Pour in milk. Cook the sauce until it thickens. Season with dried dill, salt, black pepper, mustard powder. Add parmesan grated on the fine grater. Mix the sauce until smooth. Fry the meatballs on the other side. Remove onto paper towels. Chicken breast meatballs win you over from the first bite, especially if you serve them with a creamy sauce.